All right, so I've been making some progress on the build. I haven't been showing everything because I just need some therapy time just to not have to worry about filming and audio and all that stuff, just to have some time to build. Anyway, so I've kind of been doing some detail painting. I've got the body all finished up for detail painting. I've got the engine completed and ready for installation, and I've been working on the interior. So I got the dashboard all painted up and detailed up, and the interior done as well with the flocking. So at this point I need to do some polishing, some sanding and polishing, because you can see there's some dust spots in my clear coat still, so I need to get some of those taken care of, and then we will actually be ready for some final installation. So let's do some sanding and polishing. So I am going to do some wet sanding, and I'm just going to use my water with a 3000 grit sandpaper, wet dry sandpaper, and then I want to add just a touch of soap into that water just to give me a little more lubricity as I'm sanding. So let's do some sanding. Alright, so I got everything polished up. Not quite as shiny as I wanted it to be, but still that's looking pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead with get some stuff assembled. So on some of this glass, like the windshield and stuff, I do want to put a black edge around there, so I'll just be using one of my black markers. I got this Gundam marker. I'm really liking this for painting edges around my windows, so I'll be using that. All right, well, she's done. Got the last piece in. The engine cover is going to be, it's a little too tight. That sometimes happens with paint, and then you add clear coat on top of that, and then it just sometimes makes it a little too tight to get it open. I don't want to chip the paint too much, but I have to pop it open a little bit, and then that'll open up. Some nice detail on the engine bay. I'm liking that. I am not happy with this kit. It's really frustrating to me when you spend this much time working on a kit and pieces just do not fit together. Nothing is more frustrating to me than a kit that the pieces just don't fit. It just really makes me unhappy. But overall, mostly I'm pretty happy with how the kit came out. I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, hopefully it's just because it's an older kit. Maybe the newer versions will be fitting a little bit better. Anyway, I'm not sure what's going on with those exhaust pipes, why they're sticking out so far. I need to get a license plate on there, and then we'll get the photo op done, and we'll get this video cleaned up and posted for you. But anyway, so there you go. That's the Revell Lamborghini Countach, the LP500S, and this is from their Performance series. Again, not super happy, and that sometimes will happen with these doors and panels that'll kind of open and close. A lot of times, if it's too close and the pieces don't fit, you'll get paint chip on some of that stuff. But so there you go. That's the Lamborghini. That's the Revell Lamborghini Countach. Anyway, so that'll do it for this series. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.